Hey guys, J77 here doing a update as well as a brief talk about the latest on the soda ban that's supposed to take effect in New York yesterday. So we'll be touching on that as well, just a little briefly. But first, let me just let everyone know because I just dawned on me I only did a blog about the situation. I haven't really talked about video. I'm taking a little leave of absence from making videos for the time being. There's a lot of personal issues, both with my family and myself, that I need to address, and I need pretty much to focus my entire time on these issues, especially with the situation that has happened in the last 2 weeks. So I will not be making any major videos for the time being. That goes for both my channels, both my entertainment channel as well as my more political news channel. With that being said, I do apologize for bringing this out late, but there was a lot of stuff that needed my attention. This is actually one of the very few days that I actually have a day to relax before going back into the trenches again tomorrow. So with that being said, I do apologize for not bringing any contact, but there's a lot of serious issues that need my attention. I explained this at Matic Expression, why I'm not going to be posting any videos and blogs of that matter, at least until things get done. I'm still posting videos that was already made in advance. So I'm just throwing those out there on videos that are pretty much not videos, but pretty much audio books. But that is as far as things I'm going to be going with terms of posting anything as terms of video concern. I'm still going to be doing forums. Forums doesn't take that much energy, and just to give a little bit of conversation, say I'm still around, update people what's going on. But needless to say, there's some serious situations that need my attention, and that's why I'm not doing any videos. With that being said, do apologize, but I will be back as soon as things finally get back to normal from my end, especially with me, because this is more about me than anything else. I need to get myself straightened out before I do anything else in terms of video. There are just some things that are more important. With that being said, I do have one report that something that's happened, and those who are living in the New York area know what's been going on. As you know, the Mayor Bloomberg, along with his self-appointed trustees, have passed a law banning sugary drinks that are 16 ounces and above. It was supposed to take place tomorrow, which is Tuesday, but the Supreme Court have just shot it down. Surprisingly, they took a lot longer than I expected them. This actually just came on the airways, but the Supreme Court justice in Manhattan ruled that the new law was pretty much invalid valid and it just basically is not even it can't enforce it. Not to mention it is just a ridiculous law to begin with. They said it's arbitrary and compulsory and declared it invalid after the American Beverage Association had pretty much sued, challenging the ban. Mayor Michael Bloomberg had touted the ban as a way to reduce obesity, but beverages manufacturers and business groups had called the law an illegal overreach that would infringe upon customers' personal abilities, which they are right. This is something that the customer should decide whether or not they can get big drinks or from the movie theaters or in any local store. And the thing about this law that was made it pretty much an inconsistent law is that it didn't apply to every major stores. If it only applies to those who have prep foods, or those who get the lettering in their windows. And we have a lettering system that tells people whether the place has been inspected. It's got an A, B, and C, and D lettering, and they've been doing that a lot. Um, those areas cannot serve drinks that are above 16 ounces. This was the way to carve and make people think about what they're drinking, but apparently it was not. It just was more burden than what it's worth. And a lot of people are saying that our school system is messed up. How come you're not fixing that problem, but you're worried about something petty than this? So Bloomberg, I don't know if he's going to challenge this or he's going to take it to the highest court, but right now that law has been struck down. Whether or not Bloomberg was going to, fight it is still up in the air. But one thing is definitely certain: if he does, he's gonna have a long haul because a lot of stores owners, even Starbucks, where I'm at right now, had pretty much rebelled against him. There was a report out that Starbucks wasn't going to follow that law, and Bloomberg pretty much giving his response that what they're doing was ridiculous. But what ridiculous is he made a law that is inconsistent and pretty much shouldn't have been a law as well. He's been passing a lot of stuff that was considered to be nanny. It's just that's the best way I can say it, and this is one of those laws. So that's what happened to that law. It has been struck down. Hopefully, Bloomberg will come to sense saying just leave it alone. He has been trying something similar to this for years. He's been trying that. He was trying to tax. He was trying to ban certain people from buying drinks, those who are receiving food stamps. He's been trying a whole lot of stuff. So I'm doubt that he's going to let this go. So this may, he may actually challenge this. He may not. If it does, and I got free time on my hand, I probably will talk about it. But until then, um, it's been shot down. It's been completely shot down, and that's a good thing because I was one of the people who, yeah, I understand that sugary substances can lead to obesity, can be one of those causes leading to obesity, but still, it is the person's choice whether or not they should buy a big gulp of drink. If they got the money to spend it on on something 16 or 24 ounce, let them leave them alone, all right? So that's just my opinion on that. You guys may disagree. I'd like to hear your comments. Again, I do apologize for the late delay. And I also do apologize for the quality of the camera. I'm doing this directly towards YouTube, so I do apologize for that. But again, um, situations happens. I have to deal with that situation. As always, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think, and I will leave a link to the story. And you tell me what you think about this latest twist. But until then, this is J77 saying take care, be safe. I'll talk to you soon.